See, what had happened was, I honestly didn't know no better. I thought I can outsmart him like a con. I was smelling myself. I felt self-absorbed like a sponge. See, I mean, soon as God led me into heaven, I felt like I was the chosen one. I mean, soon as I stepped foot into paradise, I thought I was the all-powerful one. And though I knew God's history, maybe it was the heavenly energy that led me to believe that I knew the secrets of all these mysteries. So like a fool, I approached God's throne, and I challenged him to a creator's duel. He said to live, proceed, scroll your verse, and I was like, God, with all due respect, you go first. So he started talking about how he can predict the future, because he knows things that happens before they actually happen. So I started to break down the science of the conscience. How it's the only thing that got your back, and it's proven every time you say something that told me not to do that. It kicks in overdrive when you get the butterflies in your stomach, and if that so happen to malfunction, you got a backup generator called a dream. You see, the dreams are the funniest things when you have an illusion that actually takes place for the first time. We call that deja vu. So technically, God, I can predict the future too. I knew he started to flex his muscles, because he started talking about how the sperm is the first to experience the struggle, how he created the light and the sea, the heavens up above and all in between, and how he knew the exact distance between my left and right eye, and how the body is a vessel, and how much the earth weighs all the way to the very last decimal. Don't forget to add that and carry your one. And I thought to myself, this must be a physical blessing, because God honestly lost me for a second, but I played like he didn't. I said I can do that too. I can put on the hard hat and become an architect. Matter of fact, it's this dude back on earth named Jay-Z. He got blueprint. 1, 2, 3. So then he started talking about how he could stop life from even happening. So I said, with the right combinations of both estrogens plus some progesterone concentrated into a pill, that alone could stink a soul. And back on earth, God, we call that a birth control. He started talking about how he can do the exact opposite and create life, all from an atom. How he did it one time for my father Adam with some water and a little bit of dirt, so I said I can do that too. When I looked to my left, I see he had some water called the fountain of youth, and I said to myself, this too easy to do. When I went to pick up some dirt, he said, nah, I created that too.